Hello everyone. So myself Raghav Jagga, a fifth year law student from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, pursuing BCom LLB in taxation laws. So nowadays I am a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today for our topic is domestic violence in India. So let us discuss this concept in brief. So let's start. Domestic violence can be described as a power misused by an adult in a relationship to control the another. Okay, it is establishment of the control and fear in a relationship through a violence. Violence should be of any kind: mental violence, physical, and so many others, and other forms of abuse. So this violence can take a form of physical assault, psychological abuse, social abuse, financial abuse, sexual abuse, and so many types are there. So in India, our incidents of the violence transmission into a woman losing a 7 working days in the United States. The total add up is a $12.6 billion annually, and in Australia loses $6.3 million per year. Okay, so domestic violence is the most common form of violence against a woman, and this type of violence is increasing in our society day by day. Okay, it affects a woman across the lifespan for a sexual selection, abortion of a woman, and so many others are there. Okay, this domestic violence is a global issue, reaches across our national boundaries as well as a social economical cultures also. Okay, this problem is not only described geographically, but it is an incident is also extended, making it a typical and accepting behavior. Okay, it continues the existence in a moral inflammabilities. So let us discuss what are the effects of domestic violence on and family violence. So let us discuss these effects by one. So first effect, what are the domestic violence effect on the victim? The impact of a domestic violence on victim can result to a critical mental health problems. Okay, basically it occurs a health problems with the mental. So some victims have a historical or physical illness. They can be abused. Okay, so let us discuss what are the effect on the domestic violence on the abused. 45% of the domestic violence result in a physical injury. Okay, the physically effect of this can be far-reaching. Okay, they have experienced some time of negative emotions effects. In order to combine that effect, 25% of their victims report having using alcohol, drugs, and any type of dangerous equipments they can consume. Okay, another effect on the family. What is the effect of domestic violence on the families? Domestic violence plays a very crucial and very bad impact on the families. So violence home create a fear among the children, basically. Okay, so another is what are the effect on a community of a domestic violence. For a domestic violence, children growing up without learning about a positive and respectful relationship. Most important thing is this. Then is abusing going to a prison. Domestic and family violence is estimate the cost of a NSW economy more than a 4 million such a year. So most and important effect which occur to our children. Okay, the effect of domestic violence on children plays a very crucial role, very bad impact on a children. Okay, children who witnesses a domestic violence in the home often believe they are blamed, live in the consents with a far away. So the सबसे बैड इफेक्ट जो पड़ता है सबसे ज़्यादा पड़ता है चिल्ड्रंस के ऊपर, मोस्टली अपग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रंस. So let us discuss this domestic violence with an case law, which is Dr. N.G. Dastane versus Dastane. So in this case, our Honorable Supreme Court held that the cruelty is of two types, mental and other one is a physical. It might be true that physically it generally brings a perceptions by a husband being a strong one, but at the same time it said that it is a universal truth. It is also vice versa in the case of a mental purity also. But in the majority of the cases, a mental purity, it is almost the wife who accused a mental purity to a husband. So I hope you have understood the main concept of our domestic violence. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please feel free to comment on the comment box. So thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, good luck, goodbye.